Hi guys. Today I'll be teaching you the layer by layer method for 2x2. Layer by layer is a very simple method, but it can take you to good times, like sub 10, sub 8, sub 6, they're all possible with this method. There are 3 steps. Step 1 is to build a layer, step 2 is to solve OLL, and then step 3 is to solve PLL. The nice thing about this method is that if you know for look last layer for 3x3, you probably already know almost all of this method. So the first step is to build a layer. This is actually an intuitive step, so I can't really teach you everything, but for example, in this case here, I already see these white pieces joined, so I have half of the layer already built. So this is here, I just need to build the rest of the layer. So I see here's my white, green, and orange corner, and here's my white, red, and green corner. So all I have to do is insert these 2 corners onto the bottom, and that makes the full layer. So for example, in this case, I have this corner here. I'll just do an R to bring it down. So that adds this corner onto the layer. And I would just have to put in this white, red, and green corner. So I can do that by just inserting this with RU R prime. This is really the same thing as this case on 3x3. It's just RU R prime to insert the corner. So just RU R prime. And that solves my layer. So now after you solve the layer, there's 7 possible OLLs you can get. And they're the same as the ones in for look last layer for 3x3. So let me start with this one right here. So this one is a soon. It's the same as this case right here. You have one yellow corner facing upwards, so this one here and this one here. And then this sticker here is yellow and it's facing you. So you have one yellow corner facing up and then one sticker facing you. So if this is just a soon, it's just R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that solves your OLL. So now the next case you can get is this right here. This one's the anti-soon. So you have one yellow sticker facing up, right here. But instead of this sticker being yellow, it's actually off to the right. So the yellow sticker is facing off to the right instead of being in the front. So here's the yellow. It's here for the anti-soon and here for the soon. So for the anti-soon, you just bring this yellow sticker to the back right, like this. And the algorithm is just R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And that solves your OLL. So now next you have this case right here. So you have 2 sets of opposite yellow headlights, so these headlights in the front and these in the back. So it's the same as this for 3x3, headlights in the front and in the back. So you could just do it with F triple sexy F prime like you would for 3x3, so F triple sexy F prime. But there's a faster way for 2x2, and that's just holding the headlights facing you like this, and then you just do R2, U2, R, U2, R2. So that's only 5 moves and it solves your OLL. So now the next case you can get is where you have one set of headlights, and it's this case right here. So you have one set of headlights, it's facing off to the left, like this. No yellow on top, you have one set of headlights off to the left, and then you just do F, double sexy, F prime, and that solves your OLL. So now the next case you can get is this one right here for 3x3. So you have 2 yellow stickers facing upwards, and then these 2 making like a set of headlights, so it's like this. 2 yellow stickers facing up, and then these 2 form headlights. So there's a much faster way to do this than you want on 3x3. So you just hold these 2 yellow stickers like this, so the headlights are off to the left, and then all you have to do is just F, sexy move, F prime, and that solves your OLL. So now the next case you can get is this right here, where you have, again, 2 yellow stickers facing upwards, but you have this yellow sticker facing you. So it's not headlights here, it's just 2 yellow stickers facing upwards and this one facing you. So you just do sexy move, sledgehammer. And that's all it is. So now the last case you can get is this one right here. So you have 2 yellow stickers facing upwards, so this one and this one. And then you have this yellow sticker facing you. So you hold it like this, and then the algorithm is just F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. And that solves OLL. So those are the 7 possible OLL cases you can get. So after that, there's 2 possible PLL cases. So the one that comes up most often is this one right here. So you have headlights like this, and you have to switch these two corners, sorry. So these 2 need to switch with each other. So it's an adjacent swap. So this is actually the same case as this on 3x3. You have headlights, and you hold the headlights off to the left, and then you just do a J permutation. So you just do R, U, R prime, F prime, sexy move, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, and then adjust the top face. And then the last case you can get, or the other case you can get, is just a diagonal swap. So now you have this corner here, which needs to switch with this one in the back. So this needs to go here, this needs to go here, so it's a diagonal swap. And that's the same as this case right here. So you have no headlights anywhere, so no headlights, these don't match, these don't match, these don't match, and these don't match. So all you have to do is Y permutation. So it's actually a combination of two OLLs that you just learned. So it's just F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, and that gives you this OLL that we just covered. So it's sexy move and then sledgehammer. So sexy move and then sledgehammer. So R prime, F, R, F prime. So those are all the possible OLLs and PLLs I can get. So now I'll give you some example solves to show how I use this method in an actual solve. So, okay. So in this case, I'll just go for white. I have this corner that's already in, this white, blue, and red corner. And I have other corners are right here, here, and here. So if I do a U and then an R prime, that brings this corner in, this white, green, and orange. Then I can insert this white, red, and green corner like this. And then I insert this white, orange, and blue corner in the back. So like this. So now I'm on to OLL. So this is just this case right here. So two yellow corners facing up, and then this sticker here is facing you. So it's just F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. And that solves OLL. And now I either get an adjacent swap or diagonal swap. In this case, I have a diagonal swap because I have no headlights anywhere. Since I have no headlights, so I just do a Y permutation. So just F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, and then sexy sledge. So sexy move, sledgehammer, and then adjust the top face. So next scramble. Okay, in this case I'll just go for white again because I have these two already made, so I have half the layer already built. And this corner here is just one move away. So if I just bring it this way, then this corner will be part of this layer. So first I'll set up this corner like this. So that inserts this corner while setting up this corner here. And now I just insert this with RU R prime. So R, U, R prime, and that makes the full white layer. So now I just have this OLL here. This OLL here. So I have two opposite sets of headlights, so these here and these here. So the algorithm for 2x2 is just R2, U2, R, U2, R2, and that solves OLL. And now I look for whether I have an adjacent swap or diagonal swap. So now I see I have headlights, so that tells me I have an adjacent swap. So since I have headlights, I hold those off to the left. So the headlights are on the left like this, facing that way. And now I just do a J perm. So R, U, R prime, F prime, sexy move, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U2. So one last scramble. Okay, in this case I'll just go for orange. It's not the best case, but yeah, I'll go for orange. So first I'll bring this corner in, like that. So that makes half the layer. And now this piece is wrong because this isn't actually matching up. So I need this corner here to go over here, so I can just do this. So now 3/4 of the layer already built, and now I just insert this last corner here. So R, U prime, R prime. Keep in mind that for 2x2 there's so many easy cases that you should definitely be color neutral, because if you only do white all the time, then you're really missing out on so many easy opportunities for an easy layer or just an easy start in general. So really be color neutral on 2x2. It's not very hard, and it really helps you out because there's just so many easy cases. So for OLL here, I have a soon. It's this one right here. So one red sticker facing up like this, and then one red sticker facing me. So it's just soon. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And I got lucky here with the PLL skip. So just adjust the top face. So that's really all you need to know to learn for layer by layer method for 2x2. It's pretty simple. If you know for loop last layer for 3x3, you already know basically all of this method already. And it's a pretty efficient method. Like it can get you to sub 10, sub 6, it's not too difficult with this method. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any suggestions for a future video or any questions, leave those in the comment and I'll get back to those. So thanks for watching. Bye.